recording paused for about 30 seconds while nothing happened, and now we're resuming. I'll click OK. And we'll go back to the terminal window and type make again. Okay, it got farther, but is looking for SDL.h. Similarly, we need this Simple Direct Media Layer component with its development package. So I'm going to go over here and search for it. Okay, we use the 1.2 version, so the development package for that is here. And I'm looking for the main package. It's usually just called something like libsdl or libsdl 1.2. Oh, it's got to be here somewhere. Maybe that's it. libsdl 1.2 Debian. Let's try that. I clicked apply and it's getting stuff. That looks good. Once this finishes, once again we'll try make and see if we get farther. By this process we can determine what is missing from the standard MX distribution and easily get the pieces.